Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1996 to 2002 4Runner. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Start by freeing the crossmember from the shock mounts. Then, cut around the radius on the inside and outside of the crossmember. To make it easier, you can split the old crossmember in half and pull the two pieces out. Step 3. Slide the new control arm crossmember into place with the included ring plates on each side of the frame. Step 4. Tack weld the crossmember and shock mounts together, then weld the part on fully. Finally, paint the part and work area with primer. Then you're done!